Hello everyone, you are most welcome to today's lesson. I want to welcome you to this amazing learning platform. It's so amazing having you here. I'm so excited to have you here. And this morning, we will be doing quantitative reasoning. And in quantitative class today, we're talking about mean, median, mode, and range. Mean, median, mode, and range. I am Mrs. Olainka, and like I said before, I'm happy to have you on this learning platform. So I want you to get set for today's class, get your writing materials, your notepad, everything you need for today's class, because we'll be doing some calculations together, and I want you to work along with me so we will understand better what I'm trying to explain to you. So mean, median, mode, and range is a very simple topic, if only you can get the scope as fast as possible. So I want you to listen attentively to the class, because you'll be learning a lot from it, and whatever you learn will go a long way to help you in mathematics. So at the end of the class today, I will expect you to be able to define mean and solve any question you see on it. Either your past question, your textbook, your friend gave it to you, anywhere you see it, you'll be able to solve it. Then you'll be able to define median and also be able to work on it correctly. And then you'll be able to define mode, work on it correctly, and then define range and work on it correctly. You're seeing then these are the things you're expected to do at the end of the class. So I want you to pay close attention so that by the time we get to the aspect of evaluation, you will be able to answer all the questions I will be asking you. So I want you to pay close attention to the class as I proceed. I will be as slow as possible so that you get all what I'll be explaining. Now, what is mean? Mean simply means average. As simple as it is. Mean simply means average. Fine. You can see the picture I have here. Trying to define mean. You say the mean is the average of a set of numbers. The mean is the average of a set of numbers. So you give me this definition, or you give me this definition. Simply means average. The mean is the average of a set of numbers. Now, what is average, you may want to ask? The average is the amount found by adding together several quantities and then divided by the number of quantities. When I give you some figures, add all the figures together, divide by the total number of figures we have in the set. By the time we do one or two examples, you understand better what I'm trying to explain in this place. Now we have a sample here. Is we find the mean of the set of numbers. These are the set of numbers we have here. We want to find the mean. Now, we have the numbers. Can you see them? 3, 7, 8, 4, 5, 9. Again, can you read that for me? 3, 7, 8, 4, 5, 9. Good. Those are the numbers. Now, this is the solution to the question. The first thing you need to do is you need to arrange the numbers either in ascending or descending order. That is the first step. Though it's not too compulsory, like I said here. You can see. It's not too compulsory when you come to mean. If you don't arrange it, you still get your correct answer. But because you want your work to be neat and well presentable, please arrange it. And you may be wondering what is ascending and what is descending. Ascending, we want to try. Anybody knows what is ascending? Ascending order in mathematics means what? Figures starting from the smallest to the highest. From the least to the highest. That is when you arrange your figures from the smallest figure to the highest figure. That is ascending order. But when you talk about descending order, that is the opposite of ascending. So what do you think that will be? Anybody want to try? Since ascending is smallest to the highest, what do you think will be descending? Good. From the what? Highest to the lowest. That's very good. Then the next thing you do is add the numbers together. In Quantitative, I've added the numbers here together. I told you before that you should get your pencils, your writing materials, your papers, your jotter, your notepad. You want to add together. Now let's see. 3 plus 4 give us what? Okay, I want you to do the same thing I'm doing so that we can get the answers together. 7. Okay. Then add 5 to 7. You get what? 12. Okay. Then you add 7 to 12. What do you get? 7 plus 12. You have what? 19. Good. Now we want to add 8 to 19. What do we have there? 19 plus 8. That will give us what? 27. Okay. So give us 27 plus 9 will give us what? 36. That's very good. 36, that's what we have. 36 here. So now that we have gotten our 36, we've added the numbers together, we have gotten our 36. I'm sure everybody knows how we got to 36. Okay, that's the second step. Now the third step, where we're going to get our answer, is that you count the number of the quantity. How many figures do we have there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 figures. So we divide 36 by 6. That's why we have it. 36 divided by 6. What do you get? We give you 6. 36 divided by 6 is 6. So the mean of this question is 6. The mean of the question here is 6. Find the mean of the set of numbers. The answer is 6. Good. Now, I'm sure you understand. You understand to this stage what mean is. Now we're going to the next one, which is median. Median. Median is very simple as well. Median is the median number in a list of numbers. Is the median number in a list of numbers. You can see the picture I have here. Median, the number in the middle. You can see the way the picture is. We have 3, 3, 3, 6, 7, 7, 13. 3, you cancel 3, 13. 3 here, 7. Another 3, 7. So this one does not have any partner to cancel. So that makes it the middle number, the median. Now, from this picture you have seen, let me give you an example. Find the median in this set of numbers. Median. Find the median in this set of numbers. Find the median in this set of numbers. Now we have 7, 4, 2, 5, 8. That is the set of numbers. We want to look at the median. So, like I said in mean, I told you the first step is what? You can remind me? I said you should arrange either in what? Ascending or descending order. I hope you can still remember what those two words mean. Good. Now, arrange the same thing you do for mean, median, but in this case, it's very, very compulsory. Like you see, it's very, very compulsory. Like I said, a mean, I said it's not very compulsory, but a median, you must arrange it. It's a must. It's a must. You must arrange it so that you can get your median number. So you have to arrange it either in ascending or descending order, any method you want to use. So in continuation, we want to arrange. I've given you the figures. Let's go back to the figures. 7, 4, 2, 5, 8. These are the figures. 7, 4, 2, 5, 8. Can you see? We have 7. The next one is what? Good. Now let's go to the arrangements. So we have arranged. I've brought the smallest one to the front. 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. You can see I've arranged. In what order is this arrangement? Anybody? Anybody want to try? Good. That is the ascending order. I've done it in the ascending order. So, now, the next step is step 2. If the number of figures given in the set is an odd number, the only one in the middle is a median. But if it's an even number, add the two numbers in the middle together and divide by 2. So, if the numbers given in the set is an odd number, then just pick the one in the middle, just like we saw in the chart. Just pick the one in the middle. After taking 3 here, taking 3 here, we have taken 3 figures here, taking 3 figures here, we just have one in the middle, pick it. So, this one too, we have 2 here, 8 here, 4 here, 7 here, and we have just 5 in the middle. So, there are 5 figures in the example given, which makes it an odd number. So, therefore, the median is 5. You can see 5. So, when you say 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. So, when you take 1 here, you take 1 here. When you take 1 here, you take 1 here. This one does not have any partner, so that's the only one in the middle. That is the median. I hope you understood median now. Okay. Now we want to do more working on median. We want to do more working on median, and we want to see how we can get the median of an even number. If we have some set of numbers that are not odd but even, how do we get it? Now we have an example here. 1, 2, 13, 9, 5, and 20. Can we read together? 1, 2, 13, 19, 5, 20. How many figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's an even number. So the first thing you need to do, like I told you, is that you rearrange. So when you want to rearrange, we have 1, 2, 5, 13, 19, and then don't forget, we have our 20 at the back. So what do? Let's come here and see how we can arrange it. We have 1, 2, 5, 13, 19, and 20. Now, this 20, we cut this one. 19, we go with 2. Now we have 2 figures in the middle, 5 and 13. So what do? We say 5 plus 13. The 2 figures in the middle, you add it together. 5 plus 13. What will it give you? It will give you 18. That's what we have. 5 plus 13 will give you 18. Then you divide this 18 by 2. Divide by 2 will give you 9. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So that's why we have the median as 9. I hope you understand now how to get the median of even numbers and how to get the median of odd set of numbers. Good. Now we have talked about mean, we have talked about median. Let's go to mode very quickly. Mode is very simple, very simple. Mode is the number that appear most in a given set of numbers, the one that appear most. The moment you look at the numbers, you don't need to arrange it. You don't need to arrange it just like I did in median. Just look at the particular number that appears most. But in some cases, if we have a lot of numbers and they are confusing, you can arrange it. So by the time you arrange it, you can count. And then you know the one that appears most. So we have an example here. Find the mode on the list of numbers. We have this list of numbers here. Now look at the numbers where we have 3, 4, 2, 5, 2, 8, 2, 3. Can we read it again? I want to hear your voice louder than mine. 4, 2, 5, 2, 8, 2, 3. Okay, so by me looking at this set of numbers, who can tell me which one appears most? Appears repeating itself frequently, coming up again and again. We have 3 here, and we have 4. Do we have another 3? Okay, we have another 3 here. Do we have another 4? No. We have 2 here. Do we have another 2? Yes, we have another 2 here. We have another 2 here. So making how many 2s? Okay, let's have the analysis. How many 3 we do have? 2. How many 4? 1. How many 2? 1, 2, 3. 3. How many 5? 1. How many 8? 1. So, which one has the highest number of appearance? That is 2. So, the mode is 2. And you want to ask why. Because 2 occurs or appear more than others. You can have your frequency table from mode, but we are not going into that today. We can decide to have a frequency table using mode, but we will not go to that today. So let's go to the last point into this topic, range. Range is also very simple. Just remember to get it. That's all. Range is the difference between the smallest and the biggest number in a list. Range. The difference between the smallest and the biggest. Now let's see the question here. Find the range in this list of numbers. We have some numbers here. 7, 4, 2, 5, 8. Okay. Now, you may want to ask, what will I do? Okay, what you do next is I look for the highest or the biggest number. Now, the highest number here in this list is what? Anybody want to try? I hope you can see clearly. Good. The highest number is 8. And who can tell me the smallest number in this list? Okay, the smallest number is 2. Good. Now, in range, if you want to rearrange, no problem. Either in ascending or descending order. If you want to rearrange, you can go ahead. If you don't want, you can just do the answer without rearranging. When it comes to range, mode, and mean, rearrangement is not very compulsory, just like median. But you can still decide to rearrange just to make your work neater and more presentable. So, but even without rearranging, you can see the highest number is 8 and the smallest number is 2. So what do? You just take the highest number and subtract the smallest number from it. Now we say 8 minus 2 will give you what? 6. You have your range. 8 minus 2, 6. You have your range. Can I hear somebody say very simple? Very simple. It's very simple. So we have learnt a lot of things today. We have learnt mean, median, mode, and range. is used in mathematics for statistics. We use these things in mathematics for statistics. So it's very, very compulsory for you to know how to use them. Now, we want to go to the evaluation page. Let's see what you have learned so far. I hope you know. Did you know mean? Do you know your mean? Do you know your median? Do you know your mode? And do you know your range? Yes, I'm sure every one of us, we are excited now because we already know our mean, we know our median, we know our mode, and we know how to get our range. Am I very correct? Good. Now I know every one of us have learned how to work on mean, median, and mode. Now let's see. We want to explain briefly what mean is. Okay. What is mean? Anybody explaining? How do you get it? How do you calculate it? Okay, your set of numbers. You either arrange or you don't rearrange. It's not compulsory. Okay, that's good. All right. Then what about median? Your median. How do you get your median? You have to rearrange. Good. And yes, when they say you have to rearrange, so you can get the one in the middle. Good. So if it's just one, you pick the one in the middle alone. And if there are two in the middle, that's if the set is an even number, that means you have 2 in the middle. You add it together and divide by what? Good. 2. Now let's go to the mode. The mode is what? The one that appears very good, appears most. And then range. Range is what? Oh, that's very interesting. The highest number subtracts the smallest number from the highest number. Very good. I'm very, very sure that we have learned a lot into this class, and even without looking at any textbook and anything, we can tell anybody anyway what the things are and how to work on them. I want to quickly ask something. Out of mean, median, mode, and range, which one do you think is the simplest? Okay, I know there will be varieties of answers, different answers. A lot of people saying, oh, I prefer mean. No, median is better. No, range is the simplest. Oh, mode is the simplest. So I want you to know that every one of them is easy and very simple to get. Thank you very much for your time and your attention. And I want you to calm down and settle down because your questions on this topic will be coming very soon. Take care of yourself and bye-bye.